Good afternoon. Time for CNFT's wrap-up of our trade recommendations made in the E-mini this morning at 6:45 a.m. Central. We came in today, we were interested in buyers. Everything was pointed higher. We expected a retest of at least 30 through 50 or higher. So we were buyers. Our first buy was 25. Plus or minus, the low is 25.50. Our first trade setup that met all our criteria is a setback trade designated by the letter B. It tells you to be a buyer with a square for deceleration. So you're long at 27.7 and the market trades up to 34. So you had a shot at our normal or expected 3 points to as many as 6. If you traded it perfectly. Market comes back down. We want to get long to retest this particular high. 32 holds. We're long when we take out that little skinny bars high right there at 32 3/4. The market trades up to 35, so we picked up a point on that. You've been perfect. You could have made 2. We still weren't interested in the short side of the market because the market had made a new high up here. So we were looking for a retest of that. The market it's down to 31 1/4, and we're long in this situation. We take out this bars high right here at 32, so we're long at 32 1/4, and we trade up to 34 again for 1 point by the time we got out. So at that time, the volume was getting so low and so light, and it was pre-holiday. We figured that we'd done about as good as we could do. We had 3 trades today. Normally we get a couple of more. We like to make 3 to 5 trades a day. I didn't, so we ended up on the low side at 5 if you'd traded and taken the most conservative exit. If you'd been perfect and managed to maximize each trade, you would have gotten 10. So 5 points. We've had a lot bigger days than that. 10 would have been more than respectable. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At the site, you'll get an overview of the software, our methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to take a look at what we do, we invite you for 5 free days into the main room where we trade crude, the euro, gold, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the e-money. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.